I'm going to do more sound effects. Part 2. This is cockpit sounds. And yes, I do count the clickings and all that. And I will do the engines. And ground, cockpit. Shh. Go ahead, Captain. We're all set to go up here. We've been cleared to push and start at your discretion. Roger that, ready to push. Power on air, doors closed. We are ready for pushback. Release parking brake, please. Okay, brakes are off. We are ready for pushback. Brakes off, here we go. Shh, push is complete. Set parking brake, please. Alright, brakes are set and pressure is normal. Okay, sir. You're clear to disconnect. And we will be watching the pin on the right as you pull out. Roger that, Captain. Have a good flight. Brakes. 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 Stabilizer. 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 Rust set. 80 knots. Flaps. Slats. Slats. V1. Rotate. Landing gear. Landing gear. Flaps up. Slats retract. Engine 1, fire. Engine 2, fire. Engine 3, fire. Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank angle. Flaps over speed. Over speed. Over speed. Over speed. $2,500. Gear down. Flaps extended. Slats extended. Approaching minimum. Minimum. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Thrust set. 80 knots. Brakes. 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 Flaps up. Slats retract. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. If your name is Richard, go out in the hallway!